Hello children, hope you are all doing good. I am Sumati. This week I am going to teach you subject general awareness. Topic recap of our helpers and places around us. Day 1. Children, shall we do a recap of our helpers which we had learnt in the previous class? Yes. Now let us learn about our helpers. Now tell me, what do you mean by our helpers? Yes, helpers are people who help us in our day-to-day life, isn't it? They see to that we are safe and healthy. Okay, children, shall we learn them with some pictures now? Yes. What do you see in the first picture? Who's he? He's a tailor. Now what does a tailor do? He stitches dresses for us, isn't it, children? Yes. Now, what do you see in the next picture? Who's he? He's a chef, isn't it, children? He's a chef. Now tell me, what is the work of a chef? A chef is a person who's responsible in cooking tasty and quality food, isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, who's this? He's a cobbler. And what is the work of a cobbler, children? A cobbler is a person who mends our worn out shoes and slippers, isn't it? Yes. Now children, shall we learn about the next helper? Yes. Who's he? He's a postman. Postman is a person who delivers letters and parcels from the post office to our doorstep. Okay. Now who's the next person? He's a gardener. What is the work of the gardener, children? He is responsible in maintaining the beauty of plants and trees in a garden. Okay. Now, who's the next person, children? She is a nurse. They communicate with patients and understand and take care of them while giving them medicines. That is the work of a nurse. Okay. Okay, children, shall we know more about our helpers? Yes. Whom do we see in this picture? He's a mason. A mason is a person who is responsible in building houses with bricks, stones, etc. Okay? Yes. Whom do we see in the next picture? He's a pilot. A pilot is a person who flies an aeroplane and carries goods from one destination to another. Okay? Yes. Whom do we see in the next picture, children? She's an hairdresser. They are people who provide various hairdressing services like haircut and giving nice styles to our hair. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now tell me, whom do you see in the picture? Who's he? He's a plumber, right? Who's he? He's a plumber. Now tell me, what is the work of a plumber? A plumber is a person who repairs taps, installs and reassembles the pipes. Okay, children? Yes. What do you see in the next picture? Who's he? He's an electrician. You're right. An electrician is a person who's responsible in repairing and testing the electrical components. Okay? Yes. What do you see in the next picture? Who's she? She's a baker. You're right. Baker is a person who bakes bread, cakes, pastries, etc. which are yummy to eat. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, children, shall we learn about our other helpers? Yes. Who's this? He's a dentist. Okay. A dentist is a person who takes care of our teeth and dental problems when we have tooth pain. Okay, children? Now, shall we see the next helper? Who's this? He's a driver. Who's a driver? A person who drives vans, cars, buses, etc. They are responsible in keeping the passengers safe. Okay, children. Now, who's the next helper? He's an engine driver. A engine driver is a person who drives an engine in a railway station. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, children, whom do we see in the picture? They are police officers. Okay, police officers serve to maintain law and order in local areas by protecting the public in times of need. Okay, yes. Now, who's then the next picture? He's a carpenter. Okay, children, what is the work of a carpenter? Carpenter works with wood and makes beautiful furniture like chairs, tables, etc. Day 2. Children, shall we learn about the places around us which we had learned in the previous class? Yes, neighborhood places around us. Okay, what do we mean by neighborhood places, children? The area around a house is called as a neighborhood, and the places around us are also called as a neighborhood places. Okay, shall we learn in detail now? Yes. What do we see in the picture, children? It is a library, isn't it? It is a library. But what is a library? It is a building or room containing books which helps the public in educating and informing important matters. Okay, children? Now we'll see the next example. What is this? It is a school. You all must be aware of your school, isn't it, children? Yes. But what is a school? A school is an institution for educating and giving good discipline to the children. We also learn to write and read in a school. Now tell me, children, what do you see in the picture? It is a police station. What is a police station? It is a place where law and order is maintained for the public. Okay? Yes. What is the next picture we see? It is a bank. What is a bank? A bank is a financial institution where customers can save or borrow money. Okay? Yes. Now children, shall we learn about other neighboring places? Yes. What do we see in the picture? It is a bus stand, isn't it? What is a bus stand, children? It is a parking location for buses. And it also helps the public in giving services when in need. Okay? Yes. Now, what do we see in the next picture? It is a fire station. What is a fire station? It is a building where fire engines are kept and where firefighters wait until they are called to put out fire. Okay, children? Yes. What do we see in the picture, children? What is this? It is a hospital. Okay. Hospital is a place where sick and the injured are taken care. Doctors play an important role in a hospital. Okay. Yes. What do we see in the next picture? It is a supermarket. It is a self-service shop offering wide variety of food, beverages and household products. The example of supermarkets are Big Bazaar, More, Star Bazaar, etc. Okay, children, shall we learn about the other neighborhood places? Yes. What do we see in the picture? It is a bakery, isn't it? But what is a bakery? It is a place where bread, cakes and other baked foods are made and sold. Example, bread, pastries, biscuits, etc. Okay? Yes. Now, what do you see in the picture? It is a park, isn't it, children? But what is a park? It is a large public ground with plants and trees. We can also play and walk in a park. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, children, shall we see the other places now? Yes. What is this? It is a post office. But what is a post office, children? It is a public department which is responsible for postal services and other telecommunication. Okay, now we'll see the next example. What is this? It is a cinema hall. But what is a cinema hall, children? It is a movie theater for viewing films in big screen for entertainment. Okay? Yes. Thank you, children, and stay safe.